I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to see all of the YouTube videos you've downloaded for offline viewing in the YouTube mobile app. Step 1. Open the YouTube mobile app and then tap U in the menu on this screen. Step 2. Swipe down this menu and then tap Downloads. This is where you'll see all of the YouTube videos you've downloaded to this device for offline viewing. If you want to delete any of these videos to free up space on your device, all you need to do is tap the ellipses associated with that video and then tap Delete from Downloads in the next menu. That video will be removed from your downloads. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.